I heard you. You can't hang with us. You can't hang with us. Go away. God damn it, they suck.
PewDiePie may have so many subscribers, does not mean you have to do the same thing to have as many subscribers as he has.
I just bought the $35,000 Tesla Model 3, and just like any 28-year-old millennial would do, I ordered it online without ever having seen it and without ever having driven one before.
Graham Stephen may have a way of attracting his audience. The way he talks may attract his audience. Does not mean you have to talk that way in order to attract your own audience. Be yourself. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and I talk about finance, entrepreneurship, money, business, personal development, anything and everything that you need to be a success in life. I'm already celebrating you. You are highly welcome to this channel. Today, we'll be discussing mistakes that hurt your revenue. What are the mistakes that you are making as a YouTuber that's hurting or reducing your revenue, your AdSense revenue, or other sources of income? I will tell you what they are and how you will go about correcting them so that you boost your YouTube revenue. You maximize this YouTube platform. Before I continue, guys, I would like you to take a second to smash the like button. Please hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video for other people to view it. Thank you as you are clicking on the like button now. The first mistake that most YouTubers make is inconsistency. I cannot say this enough. When you are not consistent with your YouTube videos, your ad revenue will be affected. Your subscriber base will go down. Your viewership will be affected. The key way to grow your YouTube channel is by being consistent. Consistent with your upload. Your subscriber should know that the time period when you upload, either it's twice a week or once a week, they deserve to be informed when you upload so that they will watch your videos. It will even help your video to go viral. So if you are not consistent, you upload once in 2 years, who are you expecting to be waiting for you in 2 years time to watch your video? So another way that YouTubers make mistake is inconsistent with their channel team. Don't just scatter and post anything in your video. Have a team you are covering. It helps people that are interested in that niche to easily locate you, thereby boosting your subscriber base. In summary, define your YouTube channel, what it is about, and keep to it. You are allowed to try new things. While you do so, your subscribers should be aware. By not being consistent, YouTube may not recommend your video, thereby reducing the tendency for your videos to be recommended and viewed by the larger audience. So if you want to increase your YouTube revenue, be consistent. Another thing that affects or decrease earning on YouTube is not including multiple ads on your videos. The more the ads you have on your video, the higher your earning on that video. So if you have only one ad, you can increase the earning or the revenue of that video by making it 2. What of making it 3? Some people have 5 ads on their videos and people still watch the videos without complaining. I know ads can be annoying, but as a creator that wants to make money and maximize all that YouTube has for you, I would encourage you to have multiple ads on your videos. There are several kinds of ads on the YouTube platform that you can put. Of course, the more you put ads, the more money you make. So you can choose to include all of them or decide the ones that you want to include. But just know that the more the ads you put, the higher your tendency to make money from that video. So not including several ads at different times in your video is hurting your revenue. Yes, some of us have very short video, 2 minutes video, 3 minutes video, even 1 minute video. I agree, it may be a prank video, it may be videos that you just want to say something, but having videos that are less than 8 minutes will not help you to get multiple ads on your video. I've just spoke about the benefit of having multiple ads on your video. So if you want to have multiple ads on your video, YouTube requires you to have a minimum of 8 minutes. I would advise you that you try to increase the length of your video without saying BS, without saying things that are not necessary, and you can be able to increase the length of your video to at least 8 minutes to enable you make more money on this platform. Also, if you have nothing else to add, you can join 2 topics at once if possible, so that it can help you to increase your video to at least 8 minutes, so that YouTube will allow you to put multiple ads at different points in your videos, which will help you to increase your earning. There's another mistake that some YouTubers make. They think because they're YouTubers, money will come to them. Hey, sometimes you are the one that go and look for this money through affiliate marketing. Let's take an example for a YouTuber that's into electronics. I would advise you to look up the company, the tools you are reviewing, look up the company and the affiliate links, and sign up to the affiliate links, which will help you to start sharing the affiliate links. A good number of YouTubers make more money from the affiliate marketing than from the YouTube AdSense. So if you want to increase your revenue, you have to look for how you get more affiliate links. Amazon is a very good example of affiliate links for most YouTube equipment. You can use it. Sometimes the commission from affiliate links may be small, but over time and from a large audience, the money increases, and you know that this kind of money you get by doing nothing, just by including it in your YouTube description. So I would encourage you to look for affiliate link for any gear or tools or whatever niche that you're covering. Find out affiliate links you can get and add it to your YouTube description, or even tell your audience about it. Then it will help you to boost your YouTube earning. Who doesn't want to increase their YouTube revenue? At least not us that's watching this video. One other problem that most YouTubers make is creating content that are not advertisers friendly. Hey, we are in the modern world. No business want to hurt themselves because they want to advertise on your channel. I would advise that you create content that are advertisers friendly if you want to use YouTube AdSense as a means of making money. It's advisable for you to create content that will not be demonetized. Avoid copyright infringement. Sometimes it can be difficult, I agree, but if you want to make money, these are the things that's required. Create videos that are advertisers friendly. Advertisers friendly is not difficult video, it's just videos that doesn't include adult content or killing or whatever thing that's obscene. So you can check up on the YouTube help to see videos that advertisers don't like and try and remove yourself from those kind of videos if you plan to increase your YouTube revenue through the YouTube Partners program. Videos that are related to money or finance or investing tends to have higher CPM than regular videos. So if you are making a video title and you can tilt it a little bit towards making money online or towards passive income without deviating from the content of the video, I would advise you to do so that it will help you to increase your YouTube AdSense revenue from advertisers. Some YouTube videos are not entertaining. I agree that you want to inform people, but the way YouTube works, a lot of people come to YouTube channel to be entertained. So even when you are teaching them something, try as much as possible to make it entertaining without going off board, of course. So videos that are entertaining will keep people hooked to your videos to the end, thereby increasing your watch time and them seeing more ads on your video. So even though you are creating educational videos, I would advise you to look for how you make it more interesting so that people can watch it to the end, which will increase your watch time and the number of ads they will see on that video, thereby boosting your YouTube revenue. Nobody wants to watch a video that's dull to the end. They'll just click in and click out. You know, this is YouTube. They have several options. My advice is for you to try and add some extra spice, sauce, to your YouTube videos so that it will be entertaining for people to watch to the end. And when people watch your YouTube video to the end, it even makes YouTube to recommend it for a higher audience to watch. And you know that's how videos go viral and start trending on the YouTube Explore tab. Another thing that helps most YouTubers' revenue is not maximizing other sources of income that YouTube has for YouTubers. If you go to the YouTube help page, you will discover that YouTube has several ways to make money in the YouTube Partner Program. There's advertising revenue, channel membership, merchandise chef, super chat and super stickers, YouTube premium revenue with their terms and conditions or the minimum eligibility. So if you meet this minimum eligibility, I would encourage you to apply to each of them and have all of them on your channel. They will help to boost your YouTube earning without hurting your viewership. In fact, YouTube even love when you have ads and all these features in your videos, because YouTube is in the business of making money. So if you are helping YouTube to make that money, they'll be happy with you, thereby hopefully boosting your videos for larger audience. If you can get all these little sources of income together, it will boost your YouTube revenue when you check how you have performed over a year. There may be little sources of income for you for one person as watching your video, but over millions of viewership. You are in for a huge bank alert. I will leave the link to this website in the description box so that you can go and check it out and see if you meet the minimum requirement and apply to them so that you earn more money from the YouTube platform. Hey, have I told you one other thing that affects YouTubers earning? Poor audio quality. You're like, how does my audio affect my earning? How is audio? Nobody is interested in hearing what they cannot understand. So if your audio is messed up, most people will not watch your videos. If you are able to get them through clickbait or through your thumbnail or title, they will just click in and click out. So which means nobody will continue watching your video. One of the best investments you can make for your YouTube creation is to invest hugely in your audio. In fact, you can even buy a cheap $20 Boya microphone and it will boost your audio tremendously. And if you have the money to invest for more expensive audio, go for it. It even make your video more interesting. People can even subscribe to you because they know what they're subscribing for. So the importance of audio cannot be overestimated in creating content that people like and want to watch. I won't end this video if I didn't tell you this point, that even while I encourage you to make more money on the YouTube platform, one of the grave mistakes that YouTubers make is expecting immediate revenue sources. They expect that after all, I'm a YouTuber, I create good content, therefore I must make $1 million today or this year. Or they expect I must be a celebrity within 2 years' time as a YouTuber. Hey, people's journey on this platform are different. It took some 10 years to make $1 million, whereas it takes some 1 year to make $1 million. So know your path and follow it. There's no rule. YouTube never promise you instant success or get quick reach now. You will succeed definitely, but it may not be what will come once. It can take some time for most YouTubers. And also fame can come with YouTube, but it's not guaranteed in your first year of starting a YouTube channel. So please don't kill yourself or lose hope because you are putting in a lot of work and you're not getting considerable money that you expect. Keep working hard, keep looking for how you increase, and very soon your channel will blow up big time. Most YouTubers make the mistake thinking that in a competition with other people in their niche. You can be in any niche that you are on this YouTube platform. Does not mean you are competing with others. In fact, one way to make money through this YouTube platform and increase your subscriber and viewership is collaboration. Collaborate with other people in your niche. They are not your competitors. I know you need money. I know you need fame. I know you need whatever you want from YouTube. It does not make other people in your niche your competitors. There are several things you can learn from them that will make your success journey faster and easier. So please stop seeing people in your niche as your competitors. Rather, work with them, collaborate with them, look for how you will sync and work with them to make more money on this YouTube platform. You learn what they have to offer and add it to your own in order to boost your revenue. Hey, stop doubting yourself. Let me repeat. Stop doubting yourself. On this YouTube platform, people make mistakes, correct it, and move forward. If you are scared that you will not make mistake, you may not even start at all. Please, I dare you to stop doubting yourself. Your first video is most likely will not be your best video. Don't get bogged down or tired because you made a video and it was not as excellent as other YouTubers that you watch. Hey, there's room for improvement on this YouTube platform. Most big YouTubers that you see today that make good videos, their first videos were nothing to write home about. So please stop doubting yourself. Also, stop copying or imitating other people in order to create good videos. Hey, don't get me wrong, at this juncture, there are things you can learn from other people in order to make your YouTube videos better. But it does not mean you have to imitate or copy everything that they do and leave yourself out of it. PewDiePie may have so many subscribers, does not mean you have to do the same thing to have as many subscribers as he has. Stephen may have a way of attracting his audience. The way he talks may attract his audience. Does not mean you have to talk that way in order to attract your own audience. Be yourself. Learn from other people to get better. Does not mean you should forget yourself and imitate them completely, leaving yourself with nothing. If you really want to make money, you have to create videos that people like. And what people like is not you copying other people. Else, they will go to the person you're copying from. Come with your uniqueness. It is good to learn from others, but still be you, be unique, because YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. How long will you keep copying other people because I've made it on this YouTube platform? Copy the good things you can learn from others and be yourself, be unique. Bring your own style in making the same type of video. I make videos on finance, money, YouTube, education. Hey, and there's several people on this platform that make similar videos. But I'm not worried. Why? Because I will bring my own uniqueness to these topics, and that's what people want to see. That's why they click on your video. You, be proud of you, because I am proud of you. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm so excited. Please guys, if you have not liked this video, take a moment and smash the like button. Hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video for others to see it, in order to stop hurting the YouTube revenue. I want to make money, you want to make money, so let's help ourselves in making this money. Remember, it's not a competition with me or with other YouTubers. All of us are here to make the world a better place. Thank you.